see the main power line over there. See if there's any other houses that are in immediate danger. I don't know. I think these ones that we were working on are probably the best ones to go with.
You're back on level 7.
Okay.
Oh, you did a good job on that guy's tree that was on fire in his house, front house.
Yeah, I think that's going to catch a little bit of it again on the tree and then across the road on this little field in front of the house here, right here. That seemed to be effective. I got about 700 left. That big tree in front of that guy's house is now burning. I should probably get it before it just decides to torch off the house next door. See the one I'm talking about?
Yep.
I'm going to go low on it, and I'll catch a little bit here. Real low on this. That should have got enough of it not to hurt the house, and it did. So we got 300 left. Come around. See what else we can do here. Maybe this one piece in behind this house here. I'll take a salvo.
Salvo.
I'll just knock this tree down here. Well, got some of it anyways.
Got a house on fire.
Is there a house on fire over there?
Yeah,
Oh,
it looks like smoke's coming out. It doesn't look like it, but smoke's coming out of the eaves.
okay. Well, do what we can.
What do you think? We have one more?
Yeah, until we get to 0 on it, we can stay here. So we probably got one more, yeah. It's unfortunate because they don't have very many fire trucks in there.
Surprised they don't have it's a toy ship over here.
Yeah. Okay, about 35, so good speed.
Storm is coming down. Fully extended.
Okay, I'll drop into the water.
35 knots. 70.
Good. Wind's pretty steady through here. It's not as bumpy as...
It's more stable than I thought it would be doing this.
Yeah, because the dive plane has a little stability to it. Pull. Coming up. Clear to the right?
Clear right.
Yeah, it's too bad now that we can do some good here. We're out of fuel, but we'll get what we can, and then hopefully the fire trucks. You can see most of the houses get built so that they're fairly fire resistant.
Yeah, see that house about 11 o'clock?
That tall one?
Smoke coming off the roof?
Yeah, yeah.
There's a fire on the right side of the house.
Okay. Give me a 6. I'll see if I can...
Level 6.
If I can just kind of drop it down into it. Uh, 700 left. Obviously, trees going up over here. Down this way too. There's firemen there though, so let's see. If I get in there, I don't know where the power line is, so there's no sense dropping in there. Yeah, it's too dangerous over that side. Got firemen right here. I'll go back to a 7, I guess.
Level 7.
I'll just catch up in front of, or at least behind the firemen, so maybe I can. Well, about the edge of it. Anyways, what do we got? We got enough for one more.
I think we can do one more.
Yeah, we'll be real quick about it. As long as you don't have to fuck around too much in Megra. Let's see, we got 900 aside, so that's 15 minutes when we're out, and it's not going to take us any 15 minutes to get there and get parked. But
take like 7 minutes to get there?
Yeah, probably, and then maybe a little bit of taxi time. I'm not sure where they're going to put us, so we'll be right around 500 pounds. Should be.
32 knots.
Okay.
Extended.
All right. Well, a little slow right now, so I'm going to accelerate. And in the water. Better speed. Pull. Coming up. With our bad selves. Just watching the numbers instead of my angle. Okay, thank you. Kind of pulled out a little bit sloppy. Alright, still got 200 pounds showing in the ox, 7 for coverage level, so see what it's doing over in this little drainage here. Yeah, a little bit by this power line I'm going to catch in the back of this guy's house. Didn't break his roof, that's good. And how did we do over here?
It's a little on the side.
There's a bit out in front here, but it doesn't seem to be bothering the house as much. Let's see what we got. I got the power line off to the right. I'm going to catch this one in the guy's backyard. And I got the power line in sight. Going to go across the power line. See the 2 power lines here.
Crossing?
Yeah, and then I'm going to drop down and get that one behind the house.
On the other side?
Yeah. I'll take a salvo on that.
Salvo.
I'll just go real slow here. Slow up. And about there.
Nice drop, Keith. I got everything. Well, there's a little bit left in the tree, but most of it.
Yeah, I could have gone a little bit further forward with it. I got the power line in sight. Could have gone just a little further forward. Oh well. Now right by that power line is torching up, but anyways.
You got the majority of it?
Yeah. So we'll drop down to the water and we'll switch over to Megra, I guess. I don't think we want to try one more. Nah.
So I'll tell them when I'll come back.